Okay, now we're looking at number 9. Oh, word problem. I know it's your all's favorite. It's okay. You got this. Okay, so we're just gonna, let's just read it and then we'll pull out all the information we need. So here we learned that at a restaurant, jars of tomato sauce are stored in boxes in the pantry. And each box contains 8 jars of tomato sauce. A cook uses 2 jars from one of the boxes. Which function shows the relationship between y, the total number of jars of tomato sauce remaining in the pantry, and x, the number of boxes in the pantry? Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to first look at the answer choices. I noticed that they're multiple choice. Okay. So when I look at that, I notice that they are written in slope intercept form. Here's a great thing. We don't have to solve for it. We just have to set it up. Yay. Okay. So they're all written in slope intercept form. Now I'm going to go back up to my word problem and I'm just going to take out, remember I told you the M&Ms, just the important stuff that I need. And this is what I need to know. I know that X is the number of boxes. Okay. So I know that that's what my X is. X equals the number of boxes. Okay. Number of boxes. That's what it tells me. I know that Y, let's use in the red, that Y is the number of jars. Okay. Number of jars. Okay. So let's go back up. What else do I learn? Well, here I know that each box, okay, each box, and we know boxes are X, right? Each box contains how many jars? 8 jars. Okay, so there are 8 jars per box. If you say it that way, we already know that word per is a slope. 8 jars per box, how would we write that as a slope? Well, that would be 8x, right? What else did we learn? A cook uses 2 jars. Well, how much do we start when cook uses? That tells me that that is subtraction. How many jars did they use? 2. Okay, uses 2 jars from the box. Okay, 8 jars per box, already used 2. So what are we starting out with? We have 1 box. Well, we only have, 6 of those left. So this here is our answer.